Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you would like to practice and improve your JavaScript skills, you are at the right place. I have created this series in conjunction with my JavaScript trickyJS quiz, which you can take on my website to help you become a better developer. I hope these JavaScript exercises will deepen your knowledge of the language and even help you get a job, as much of the information shared within these tutorials can be useful when solving JavaScript interview questions. It covers topics such as data types, type conversions, functions, arithmetics, and much more. At the time of recording, the quiz has about 40 questions, but I am adding more every week. My goal is to add several hundred JavaScript exercises, so it covers most of the intricacies of this popular coding language. So, what can you expect from this series? As you can see, I am currently on the trickyJS quiz site, which is showing me a question with various possible answers. Once you submit your solution, it tells you whether you got it wrong or right. Each JavaScript exercise also has a short explanation why the correct answer is correct. However, in these videos, I want to dive deeper into the solution with more examples so you truly understand the result and also learn things which you might not have heard of before. You don't have to take the quiz if you are watching this series on YouTube, as I will present you the question at the beginning of each video, so you can have a go at solving it yourself before I reveal the solution. The next video will walk you through the first question in this quiz, which you can see here. If you are interested in following along with these JavaScript exercises, please subscribe. Feel free to follow me on Twitter too, where I regularly post coding resources and where I will keep you updated anytime I add more questions to the trickyJS quiz. For those who already subscribe to me and love my CSS and JavaScript animations, don't worry, I will continue to post these tutorials as well. Thank you for watching this introduction video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. See you next time!